Watch the heavy machine tear through a massive tree, its sharp chainsaw cutting like a beast. Incredible power, effortlessly conquering each log. Are you ready for the show? Have you ever imagined the power and tools needed to bring down a giant tree towering like a building? The sound of the chainsaw rips through the still air, wood dust flying everywhere in the faint light filtering through the dense leaves. A scene full of tension, but also symbolic.
It's starting to open up a bit. Final look. 7 foot 3. At the bottom scale.
Wow! The man riding the motorcycle skillfully maneuvers it up the hill, carrying a large load of wood.
Yeah! Oh! Edan, man. Edan, iya, Mak. Mantap, man.
The weight behind is so heavy.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Allah Pak Tuja. Ya Allah Pak khair kara.
Oh my God, a sudden twist of the throttle could make both men fall off. Wow! I think going down this hill would be pretty easy for the driver. This is a slow-motion shot showing the incredible weight of the giant tree being brought down, with dust flying wildly through the air. There's a strange emotional pull to it. Everything seems to slow down as we witness the collapse of a living monument. Let's witness more scenes of massive tree trunks crashing to the ground in all their grandeur. Which tree felling moment do you love the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. The scene of two people working together to pull a cart full of wood down the hill, a lesson in strength and teamwork. The driver struggles to maintain balance, while the two in front push and hold to prevent the cart from losing control. Wow! Against the backdrop of pure white snow, the powerful vehicle pulls a large tree trunk, carrying with it the strength of machinery and human hands. Oh, tree trimming near the house. A task that seems simple but requires skill and absolute safety. In just a few minutes, the dense branches are neatly taken care of. Tall trees near residential areas, if not trimmed regularly, can pose the risk of branches breaking and falling during bad weather, especially during the rainy and stormy seasons. The The tough tree roots now must surrender to the power of this machine. Watch how this machine turns a seemingly impossible task of tree removal into an easy reality. Instead of relying on manual labor with hoes and shovels, this technology delivers superior results. The machine's design is optimized with strong gripping arms that can tightly clamp around the tree trunk, generating powerful force to uproot it. Since the space is quite narrow, they will remove this large tree by cutting it into sections from the top like this to avoid damaging anything around it. Oh, feast your eyes on the wood crusher, where industrial power meets the winter beauty of nature. The mobile wood crusher with a built-in hopper is a breakthrough in wood processing technology, combining high performance with flexibility. The wood chip container is a crucial part of the design, ensuring that the wood chips are neatly and efficiently collected after being processed, ready for transportation or immediate use. Thanks to its mobility, the machine can be deployed directly at the extraction site, saving on the cost of transporting raw wood to the factory. The giant machine is designed to handle tasks that seem impossible, uprooting trees, plowing through hard soil, and quickly clearing the ground. This is not just a job, it's an art. The art of conquering nature with cutting-edge technology. However, it's not an easy victory. Cutting down a tree is not just a simple act of chopping. Each cut must be carefully calculated to ensure the tree falls in the right direction, preventing harm to the worker and the surrounding environment. Winter is always one of the greatest challenges. The white snow blankets the ground, the harsh cold, and the slippery terrain make every task more difficult than ever. A wood cutting and logging system has been specially designed for snowy environments. With its sharp cutting blades and heavy-duty hauling chains, this machine not only processes wood quickly, but also ensures maximum safety for the operator. Amidst the majestic natural landscape, a massive cable car system is transforming the way timber is harvested. Deep within dense forests, where steep and rugged terrain makes access nearly impossible with conventional vehicles, cable car technology has become a groundbreaking solution. Operators must possess high-level skills, coordinating seamlessly between controlling the machinery and ensuring safety during the transportation process. Have you ever seen a small vehicle hauling a massive tree trunk? This is the power of technology pushing beyond limits. The vehicle relies on the pulling force from a powerful diesel engine, combined with a crane system mounted at the rear to lift and secure the tree trunk. The wheel system, with large treaded tires, is designed to maximize traction, ensuring the vehicle maintains stability even when hauling heavy loads across snowy or icy roads. This truck is equipped with a specialized hydraulic crane, capable of lifting tree trunks weighing several tons with ease and precision. The log clamp operates using compression force and sensors, ensuring each log is securely held and placed correctly in the truck bed. Notably, this hydraulic system can rotate flexibly, allowing wood handling even in tight spaces or challenging terrain. This is not just a job, it's an art. How do you think massive tree trunks are moved across swampy terrain? Take a look at how humans conquer nature with this powerful machine. The machine is equipped with large wheels featuring deep treads, providing excellent traction even in slippery conditions. Its powerful engine, combined with a specialized winch system, allows it to haul tree trunks weighing tons through rugged, hilly areas without damaging the surrounding landscape. When modern technology transforms what once seemed like a strenuous task into something simple and efficient, this is a clear example. The machine is designed with an automated conveyor system that feeds each log into sharp, powerful cutting blades. These blades are controlled by hydraulic or electric motors. Operating with high precision, ensure the logs are cut to uniform sizes. Behind this, a sorting and packaging system helps the operator save time and effort. From discarded wood scraps to high-quality recycled products, this is the cutting-edge technology of the forestry industry. In an era where natural resources are becoming increasingly scarce, utilizing waste wood to recycle into useful products not only brings economic value, but also contributes to environmental protection. This wood chipper is equipped with a powerful rotating blade system, capable of crushing even the largest wood pieces into uniform particles. The automated conveyor system ensures continuous wood transport, from feeding to output, optimizing the production process. Each hour, this machine can process dozens of tons of wood, turning what was once considered waste into recyclable materials such as wood chips, pellets, or sawdust, products that can be used in paper manufacturing, renewable energy, or furniture production. Transporting wood from remote harvesting areas to collection points is one of the biggest challenges. The log haulers in the image are equipped with large wheels featuring deep treads designed to enhance traction on all types of terrain, from slippery ice and snow to muddy, swampy ground. The crane system mounted on the vehicle is a technological highlight, allowing logs to be lifted and arranged on the truck quickly and precisely. With vehicles like these, the forestry industry is getting closer to balancing resource extraction with environmental protection. This machine not only frees up labor, but also elevates technology in the modern forestry industry. The system includes a powerful crane with a grab arm designed to lift large bundles of wood and feed them into the chipper. The wood chipper is equipped with sharp blades and a robust hydraulic compression system. Turning raw wood into uniform wood chips or sawdust in an instant. This process is fully automated, from feeding to output, minimizing manual intervention. Operating this system requires a skilled operator with expertise in technology, as well as the ability to monitor and handle unexpected situations. Technology like this not only revolutionizes the forestry industry, but also paves the way for a more sustainable future, where natural resources are harvested and utilized in the most intelligent way. It stands as proof that humans can collaborate with technology to overcome the challenges of nature and create new value for society.